नमस्कार, बहुत स्वागत है आप सभी का जी राजस्थान में और मैं हूं आपके साथ अंकुर श्रीवास्तव
और मेरा नाम है हार्दिक दवे। चलिए आपको सीधे लेकर चलते हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, जहां चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर राजीव कुमार इस वक्त संबोधित कर रहे हैं। सुनिए।
सीजन है, सेफ्रॉन का भी सीजन, शिकारा भी है, ट्यूलिप भी है और गुरेज फेस्टिवल भी इसी समय में है। तो सभी चीजें एक साथ कायनात ने इकट्ठी की हैं। उसमें जमहूरियत की उत्सव भी एक ही साथ है। और हरियाणा, एज यू ऑल नो, इज ए लैंड ऑफ एथलीट्स. All the athletes and sports persons have done proud to the nation in Olympics, or almost it's a national pride. It's a symbol of national pride. सूरजकुंड का मेला भी है, पिंजौर का हेरिटेज फेस्टिवल भी है और ब्यूटीफुल राग एंड रागनी भी हैं हरियाणा में, जिनका डेमोक्रेटिक फेस्टिवल में लोकतंत्र के चुनाव में जम के यूज होगा, ऐसी हमारी उम्मीद है। You that on 3rd of June, when we said we learned two things, so we made a promise that we will keep the election period short. So, in true spirit of keeping that promise, now we present the shorter electioneering period and in the best possible and conducive environment. Elections in J&K will be held in 3 phases. So this is a shorter period. This is a much shorter period, much shorter than even the parliamentary elections, which were 5. 20th of August, just the next day of the Amarnath Yatra being complete, the 19th. would be the date of notification for the first phase, nominations till 27th, scrutiny on the next day 28th, and date of poll will be 18th of September, and it's a Wednesday. We are also keeping that in mind, not keeping Fridays and Mondays to give a longer holiday spell. Second phase would be on 29th of August, and the statutory period of nominations and all, poll being on 25th of September, and phase 3, nomination on 5th of September, and every voting finishing on 1st of October. So, counting would be on 4th of October, and everything would be over, wind up on 6th of October. We can show you the map also. It's how the scheduling is being done. The yellow portion is first. The yellow portion would have the districts of Kishtwar, Ramban, Doda on this side, Jammu side, and Anantnag, Pulwama, Shopian, and Kulgaon in the valley. The second phase would be Gandarbal, Srinagar, Badgaon in the valley side, and on the Jammu side, Poonch, Rajouri, and Riyasi. And then the forces move up. So North Kashmir in the upper regions, and also the Jammu and Udhampur, Samba, and the Kathua region. This is what would be the schedule there. If we come to the schedule of Haryana, Haryana would be in the last phase, exactly coinciding with the third phase of J&K, nomination being on 5th of September, last date of making nomination on 12th of September, date of poll 1st October, and date of counting coinciding with J&K on 4th of October, everything to be over on 6th of October.